Let It Glow facial today. Hey everybody, I'm Chelsea. I'm a nurse practitioner that specializes in anti-aging and skin treatments. The weather is changing and so is your skin. So I'm gonna give you some tips on how to properly cleanse, exfoliate, and hydrate the skin during this crazy time. So I have my facial steamer here. You can find it online. I like to use it when I cleanse the skin because the steamer opens up your pores and you're able to really deep clean and get all that debris and excess makeup that's stuck in your pores out of your skin. So I have a little damp cloth that I'm going to put in front of the steamer to kind of heat up and dampen the skin first. Today I'm using the Tatcha Deep Cleanse with a drop, and you could just massage it in. For me, I like to massage it into the skin like this, and then wash your face in front of the steamer because you do want to make sure that the steamer opens up your pores and you're really getting in there and cleaning it. Clean it all off. So after you cleanse your skin, you want to do a little scrub. So as the dry, colder weather comes about, you might have some like dry patchiness or even sometimes flaky skin. So what the scrub is going to do is it's going to help exfoliate off that flakiness and those dry patches so that it really cleanses and gives a nice clean canvas so you can hydrate in the skin afterwards. You're going to use your damp towel again to take everything off. So your skin is still going to be damp after cleansing, and then I'm using a matcha detoxifying face mask, and I really want to use a mask that is going to be hydrating to the skin. So I have dry, sensitive skin, and this one is really great because it will detoxify all of the dead skin that was dry just sitting on top of the skin. You want to really make sure you take that out. So this one will really get in there, especially because we just already opened the pores. Now I'm just going to remove it with a damp cloth. After leaving this on for about 5 minutes or so. Oh, it comes off really nicely. I like it. Now it's time to hydrate the skin with some goodies. So I'm using a Aftermask vitamin serum. So this one is very soothing. It smoothens, it's anti-aging. It also protects and nourishes the skin. If you have oily skin, this might be enough for you, but during these winter months, if your skin is feeling extra dry, give it a little bit more love with the moisturizer afterwards. I'm gonna be using a banana souffle moisture cream. This texture is really fluffy, just like a souffle. You kind of want to eat it, but let's have your skin eat it instead. So I typically like to massage the product into the skin. I'll do a little bit of kneading and facial massage. Pretend that you're your own facialist, right? Just close your eyes and pretend, it's fine. So I'm gonna be finishing it off with a nutrient facial mist. This one is really great for dull and dehydrated skin. It's gonna give you that extra boost of minerals, antioxidants, and I like to keep this in my bag actually so that I could just spray it throughout the day. Feeling a little dry? Spray. Feeling a little dry? Spray, and let that set in. So that's it. That's all the steps you really need to do. Cleanse, exfoliate, detoxify, and don't forget your hydration. Even double hydrate if you can. So that's the Let It Glow facial, and you can be nice and glowy even during the cold, dry season.